When your trash compactor or baler breaks down, it's anything but business as usual. Your waste costs increase, garbage piles up, and productivity slides. If you call just any old repair outfit, you could be waiting as long as 72 hours for a tech to be dispatched. Instead, call Global Trash Solutions 24/7, 365. Our nationwide network of experienced service technicians are dispatched immediately and could be repairing your system within 24 hours, getting your business back on track fast. We service every make and model quickly and affordably. Our technicians arrive with the right tools, parts, and expertise to get your waste operation and recycling running smoothly again. Imagine your compactor or baler failing you on your busiest weekend of the year or during the holiday rush. These disruptions can be devastating, but in most cases, they can be prevented. Global Trash Solutions Preventative Maintenance Program offers affordable periodic inspections for your commercial trash compactor and baling system. Our comprehensive maintenance inspection will survey all these systems and verify that your compactor meets OSHA and ANSI standards. Or GTS will provide recommendations to bring you up to code. Waste removal is important. If your compactor or baler breaks, call Global Trash Solutions for the quickest solution to get back to business as usual.